Coffee Shop Corn Muffin recipe, perfectly moist and delicious. Hey there, coffee enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat that pairs perfectly with your morning brew, a Coffee Shop Corn Muffin recipe that's easy to make and tastes like it's straight from your favorite cafe. So, let's dive right in. Ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 cup of yellow cornmeal. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 2 large eggs. 1 cup of milk. 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, melted. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/2 cup of corn kernels, canned or fresh. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 coffee lover. Instructions. Preheat the oven. Show the host preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Combine dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, yellow cornmeal, granulated sugar, baking powder, and salt. Make sure they're well mixed. Mix wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs, then add the milk, melted butter, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Stir until everything is combined. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and gently stir until they come together. Don't overmix, a few lumps are okay. Add corn kernels. Fold in the corn kernels into the batter. They add a delightful sweetness and texture. Fill muffin cups. Line a muffin tin with paper liners. Fill each cup about 2/3 full with the muffin batter. Bake. Place the muffin tin in the preheated oven and bake for 18-20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into a muffin comes out clean. Cool and enjoy. Let the muffins cool in the tin for a few minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now, it's time to savor these homemade coffee shop-style corn muffins. Wow, these corn muffins are incredibly moist and flavorful. They're the perfect balance of sweet and savory, making them an ideal companion for your morning coffee. Thank you for joining us today as we recreated these amazing coffee shop corn muffins. We hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy the comforting flavors. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking, coffee lovers!
Celebrate St. Patrick's Day in style with our festive St. Patrick Day mug. This vibrant mug features a colorful rainbow, 4-leaf clovers, and shimmering gold coins, all set against a lush green background. Sip your favorite beverage in this lucky mug while embracing the spirit of the Irish. With its charming design and high-quality construction, this mug is the perfect addition to your St. Patrick's Day festivities. Get ready to raise a toast and spread some Irish cheer with our St. Patrick Day mug. Slaint.